Hello there, this is Sylvester and Sai, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, let's look at arithmetic operations in JS, also known as maths. So, enough talk, let's get it. So, what is arithmetic operation in JS? Okay, so arithmetic operations involve numbers and produce a result, which are also defined as operations in JavaScript that manipulate numbers. So the four basic arithmetic operations are obviously addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Normally in your arrow keys, as part of the arithmetic, there is different signs. So plus sign, subtract sign, a multiplication symbol, but instead of that, use the asterisk and a division sign. We'll look more through arithmetic operations and how it works in JavaScript. For example, let's add a multiplication symbol. So let's do 9 times 5. Obviously, 55. And 2 plus 2 equals 4. And 10 subtract 5 equals to 5. As well as 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So here are those basic arithmetic operations used every day now in primary school or secondary school, depending where you learn. But in regards to the video, it requires in console log that produce a result. So it's a bit like print function in Python, but occasionally used for console log. Okay, cool. So let's open the inspect element and use console. And let's demonstrate on how arithmetic operations work in JS. So obviously you need to use your front end website, which calls the index.html. And once you done that, you then click on, I use this extension called Live. Make sure you download this extension to help you display through the screen of the website. So link in bio as well. Check out. Okay, so let's implement the console log. So for example, let's use x as for example. So x, let's let x equals to 11. So assign it to 11 and we'll use that as an example, an addition. So x equals to x plus 5, which means x becomes 16. And let's console.log x, which will give you the output. So then the output will give you 16, as you can see here, because we add x plus 5 as a variable and print it to x, which gives you the output 16. Let's look for more. So we'll give you, let's let y equals to 2, and we would do y equals to y. Let's multiply that by 3, and then y becomes 6, which then could console.log. You want to get the output, which now the output is 6. And also let z equals to 10, and let's use the subtraction method. So z subtract 2 becomes 8, and the console log, which displays as 8. Okay, and also the final bit is, let's put a equals to 10, and this time you would divide this by 2 and it becomes 5, and you want to get the console log to get for the output, use console log dot a, which the output gives you 5. And there we go. And here are the basic arithmetic operations in JavaScript. Okay, so next on the list is I'm going to demonstrate is exponentiation in JavaScript. So what is exponentiation? You might be wondering. So an exponentiation operation is where you use the double asterisk operator in JavaScript. It calculates the power of a number, which means that if you learn in school or college, you will probably understand the powers and indexes as well. Okay, so here's an example. So let's put let base is 2. This is an example for variable here. So we'll put base equals to base square rooting by 2, which gives you the output is 4. There we go. And next exponent is 3. Let's put base equals to base, multiply that exponent, which the output gives you 8. Or, sorry, the base, the base we know is 2, and the exponent is 3. We both use the variable here for the base and the exponent, which the base gives you 64. So you can also include the variables, not just values, into the equation, and as well as strings, but we'll get more into it later. Okay, so another operator in JavaScript is the module operation. So the module operation used to return the remainder of the division for two numbers, and it uses a percent sign this time. So let's put let num1 equals to 10 as a variable here, and let num2 equals to 3. So if we want to find the remainder, we'll put let remainder equals to num1, and you put the percentage sign num2. To get the output, use console log to print in JavaScript, so remainder, and the output is 1 because it shows the remainder of the number. It doesn't show the full number, but the full answer, it only shows the remainder, which is 1. And the final operator in JavaScript is increment and decrement operators. So hopefully we'll understand the video as I'm going through all the operators. Anyways, so the increment and decrement operators are used to increase and or decrease the value of a variable by 1, which means that it uses the plus and equal sign to at least increase the value, and decrement is the assign operator and the subtraction to decrease the value by 1. Okay, so here's the example. So let's put let counter equals to 0. We use counter as the operator. So counter equals to counter plus 1. So, and you get the answer, counter becomes 1. And here it is. And this is the first increment operator. So let's add more counters. So counter, you use the plus plus, becomes 2. So if I put console.log counter, the output is 2 because in this case you use the increment operator in JavaScript, which becomes 2. And also that variable here, we use console log to find out the output, and it becomes 2. And also let's use the decrement operator. So the decrement operator is on your keyboard, use the hyphen, double hyphen, which shows the subtraction. So counter also becomes 1. And if I put console.log count for the counter, it now becomes 1 because you're decrementing the operator by using both increment and decrement operators. I'm going to wrap up this video today. This is me demonstrating all variable operators in JavaScript, and we looked through the basics and more complex operations in JavaScript. So hopefully you will understand this video as I'm teaching along. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, please hit a like. If you're new, please subscribe, turn your notification bell so you don't miss a video. I'll be uploading more JavaScript videos in the future and keep you guys updated with my uploading schedule. This is it. This is your boy. I'm out. Peace.